Hello, all. Wishing everyone a very happy and prosperous life ahead. This is Soulful Solution. Today, we will be talking on the topic inferiority complex. It is a situation where an individual doubts his own potential and imagines himself in lower standards than others. Almost all of us would have experienced it at some part of our life. It can be put into two categories. Firstly, inferiority complex with our knowledge or consciously. These are the ones who keep expressing themselves inferior most of the time and often end up talking low about themselves, comparing them with others, and praising others without love. We would have seen this happening in our own social groups. Secondly, inferiority complex unknowingly or subconsciously. It is common among most of us. For example, when you have a fear on thinking about your future, or a doubt of winning any competition, or a feeling of jealous on an achiever, then you are actually experiencing inferiority complex subconsciously. Now, jumping on to the solutions, I would like to tell you a small story. There were two young kids named Vaimi and Traimi. One fine day, both of them decided to reach a place that was as beautiful as heaven. And both started their journey. But their journey wasn't that easy, which was filled with obstacles and problems. And finally, when the day came, Traimi had reached the place, but Vaimi had failed to. Want to know the reason? Their name says the story. So, from now, it is up to you to decide which question you're going to ask. Why me or try me? If your mind says why me when a problem arises, then a smallest loss or someone's smallest victory is gonna feel sky high and make you feel inferior. But if you're ready with a try me mind, then your greatest loss or biggest victories of others is not gonna stop you from growing. I personally have had this intention that I have always had my greatest respect towards the leaders, achievers, and heroes of this world, but that has never meant to compare or put my potential lower to them. So, let me tell you a secret. Only when you respect others' potential, but at the same time respect your own potential as equal or even a bit higher to theirs, you naturally start growing. But keep in mind the difference between respecting and boasting. Lastly, next time when you feel inferior, ask these questions to yourself. Why do I even do that? Does talking inferior about myself benefit me in some way? Don't I have any strength to feel good about? And do remember, friends, being alive is itself one of the greatest default strengths of every human being, which, when used efficiently, can do miracles. All that matters is the choice you make. Thank you, good luck, and peace.